Hi, welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainments. And if you've never been to my channel before, I get so happy when I get a box. Because I get to use my knife on the box. And there's always something special in the box. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Cut like butter. Bye-bye now. Okay. Don't know what this is. This is... This is a headlight. And I'm going to show you, we don't need the box. I'm going to show you up close on what a headlight is and what it can do. It's great for camping. It's great for when there's a light out. This is a rechargeable one. This is the case. I'm going to show you up close. And I'm going to show you everything that's inside the case. But if you don't know, I don't do nothing technical without reading the instructions. So we'll be back. Okay, this is inside the case. That's the battery and clips. It's a nice zippered case. Inside there is the light headset. The band is stretchable and adjustable, nice and soft. Nice design. It has padded back. The headlight is nice and solid. Nice little weight. That's the on and off button. And this is up close on how solid this headlight is. On one side is the charger and the battery. This is the battery. It's a rechargeable battery. I gotta take off the tape. The plus side goes into the battery. It's a 2000 mAh. And it comes with 4 clips. These are clips, and these clips make it easier to put the light onto a hard hat. Screw off this cap. And you insert this battery. Insert the battery, the positive side is down. It disconnects from the headband by just popping it out. On this side, when you unscrew it, that's how you reach charging input. And right here shows that it's not fully charged yet because it's red. It turns green when it is fully charged. There's a green light to let you know when it's fully charged. It turns red when it needs to be charged. Right now I'm charged it with my power bank. And this is how bright the light is. So 2 clicks on the on and off button gives it a strobe. Hold it down will change the lighting dim. There's a link below in the description if you want more information or want to order one. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to see more.